Greetings, synth fans. Welcome to our synth lesson. We will be venturing into our first lesson in drum synthesis, and we'll be creating our drums in this lesson, our kick drum actually. So, first step is create a new session. So I'm going to go to File, New Live Set. I'm not going to do it because then I'll lose audio, but if you have a session open that you want to close and open up a fresh session, you can do it here with New Live Set. All right, next step is step number 2. Go to your plugins in your browser and select Togu Audio, and then hit your triangle, and you're gonna select the TAL Elektro, click, drag and drop into your MIDI track. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And bam, there it is, my synthesizer, and here is our nifty synth that we learned about in the last session. Step 4, set our mixer to these knobs. Our volume for our oscillators, only oscillator 1 is all the way to the right, which means that it will be creating sound, but the other 3 are completely off to the left. So let's do that. Oscillator 3, 4 is off. Perfect. Step 4.1. Select the sine wave for your oscillator. So let's do that. And by clicking on this dot here and enabling the sine wave. Perfect. Step 5, set envelope settings to these settings here. So attack all the way down, decay at 12 o'clock, sustain and release off, decay at about 11 o'clock, and your intensity all the way up for the secondary envelope, these 3 knobs. So release is off, 12 o'clock for decay, intensity all the way up, and about 11 o'clock for the decay. Excellent. Now, go to step 6, program notes by creating a click, and voila, you have your kick drum. So let's do this, making sure that you are on C1, which is the appropriate range for your kick drum, and create a nifty pattern, and voila. You should hear a kick pattern. I'm going to take it up an octave in case you have poor speakers that can't handle bass. There it is. So, I hope this helps. Next is our snare, which we'll be creating from this synthesizer setting that we have at the moment. See you in the next one.